Hello, in this video we are going to set up Minio, which is an object storage using Docker. As a first step, we are going to create a volume in Docker. As I have already created the Docker volume, I shall show you the volume which I have already created. Here the minio-data is the volume that we created in the first step. Now we are going to execute the Docker image using the command shown in the second step. For this purpose, we make use of the volume that we created during the step number 1, and also we will be setting the environment variable, that is minio root user and minio root password. This root user and as well as root password will be used by us when we log in. Okay, let us execute the command. Minio will be accessible from the given URL, that is localhost colon 9000. And for login purpose, we make use of the user as well as password, which we have already set as the environment variable. What we see now is the login page for the Minio. But for integrating with the application, you have to make use of the APIs that is provided by the Minio. That is, they provide SDKs in various languages for accessing the Minio database. You can use this website, that is admin login, to view the content or list the content as well as create the content. We have to create bucket to store objects. Here we are going to create a bucket for storing new objects. Now we can it is possible to upload the files to the bucket which is named as a message. Using the, you can see a button, that is upload button, at the right side of the window. In short, what we have done is we have initially created a Docker volume for persisting in our host machine, that is persisting data in our host machine instead of inside the container. Then we have used the command in the second step to start a container, that is from the image, or that is we are using bitnami image for starting up the container. Then after starting the container, we visited the localhost colon 9000 port, and we have logged into it using the credentials which we have already provided during the creation of the container. This is how we start a Minio environment using Docker. You may use this setup for development purpose. That's all. Thank you.